Hello everyone, this is Brain Booster Sujata and we'll talk about the son of common Maratha Sardar who born on Shivneri Fort, built Maratha Empire and coronated himself at a Raigad Fort. How did he challenge the Mughals? We'll talk about this secret. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was mastered in Ganime Kawa, surprise attacks, night raids, and hill fort defense. Even the mighty Mughal Empire struggled against his smart tactics, and it was the guerrilla warfare techniques. We can see the example of this guerrilla war techniques when in 1659 the powerful Mughal general Afzal Khan came to destroy Swaraj. But Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj knew that it was a trap to capture him by Afzal Khan. So the meeting was held at the foothill of Pratapgarh Fort. It was a peace talk, but Shivaji knew it was a trap. Hidden armor, tiger claws weapon, and lightning attack. Afzal Khan was defeated, and Shivaji's legend was born. Before attack, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj made a smart plan and he proved that intelligence beats the size. Shivaji Maharaj wasn't just a brave, he was a genius strategist. Type Jai Bhavani in comment. If you want a part 3 about escape from Agra, just type Jai Bhavani. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivrai.